I always do my headcount forecast at the most detailed level, brick by brick, employee by employee, by simply uploading an HR roster, tying each employee to a specific employee type. This allows me to make micro adjustments to the employee, such as start date, end date, salary, and so forth, and have each one of my forecasts completely defensible at the department level. I'm also able to make macro level adjustments by simply adjusting the employee type. So for example, if I wanted to change the way that 401k match is calculated, I could simply do that and apply that across all employees. If I have a new employee type, I can simply add a new employee type without updating or breaking my model. And this allows me to scale across all employees and account for any scenario that comes across in the future. This also gives me maximum introspection into my forecast, where I can slice and dice the forecast by any which way I want, and I can see both the macro level view and impact at that top level, but I can also deep dive into the underlying employees and assumptions and reasons for what the changes and fluctuations in the forecast might be. So bottoms up forecast is definitely the most defensible way that you can do your forecasting for headcount.